Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Motorists will pay more for petrol tomorrow. The prices for 87 and 90 gasoline will go up by 38 cents per litre. Automotive diesel will be increased by $1.39, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $1.56. $1.40 will be added to the price of kerosene. However, propane will decrease by 67 cents and butane by $1.65. The president and CEO of First Rock Capital Holdings says the company is cautious about where it acquires properties. Ryan Reed says with heightened tension on the global scene, First Rock will only invest where economic growth is assured. TVJ's Andrew Ledley reports.
First Rock expanding and diversifying its business with the acquisition of 2 new properties. One in the Cayman Islands and the other in Florida, a total investment of $4 million. But with signs of a global economic downturn, President and CEO of the company Ryan Reed says he's being cautious.
There are certain jurisdictions that you won't see us. When we feel comfortable that there's, some level of turnaround and we're seeing some sustained economic growth, then we will look for opportunities there.
Mr. Reed says his company is monitoring the signs closely to ensure that investors get value for their money.
We continue to do assessments, internal assessments, economic assessments, political assessments, and that will basically guide our decision making. In line with our initial mandate, we will only pursue opportunities in jurisdictions that exhibit economic growth.
In the meantime, Mr. Reed says the company is moving ahead with plans to go public before year end.
All things being equal, whatever we can control will be done to ensure that we're listed this year.
First Rock is now working to close 2 more overseas deals, one in Guyana and the other in Costa Rica. Andrew Ledley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.97, the Canadian dollar $102.98. The pound is going for $165.13, while the euro sells for $151.75. The JSE index lost 3,636 points today, while the junior market index gained 46 points. Among the winners, we had JMMB Group 7.5%, Siboney Group, Lasca Manufacturing, Jamaica Producers Group, and 1834 Investments. On the losing side, we had Paramount Trading, Proven Investments, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, and Elite Diagnostic. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.